King's aides meet in a small room. The air is thick with anticipation as King softly declares, "We must stand firm." King continues that their strike is not just about sanitation workers, but about economic justice for all. Sunlight streams through the window, casting long shadows that amplify the tension and the determination in the room. As dusk settles, King steps onto the motel balcony, unknowingly stepping into the crosshairs of fate. In a moment of camaraderie, King exchanges jovial words with Jesse Jackson and his companions, their laughter soon to be silenced by a single, devastating shot. The air shatters with the crack of gunfire, and in a horrifying instant, King is struck, his world collapsing around him. His body crumples on the balcony, leaving an eerie silence where moments before, laughter and conversation had flowed. Amidst the sterile intensity of the Memphis hospital, a desperate battle unfolds to salvage King's life. In a moment of devastating finality, the weight of grief descends as King is pronounced dead at the young age of 39. The room is thick with an unbearable atmosphere of grief and disbelief, as the reality of the loss sinks in. As the echo of King's assassination reverberates through the night, America erupts in a tempest of grief and rage. In the streets of Memphis and beyond, a fierce inferno of riots ignites, painting the night sky with the fiery hues of fury. Amidst the raging storm, the National Guard descends like a somber shadow, their arrival a stark testament to a nation teetering on the brink. Nation's heart in furious chaos. In a humble rooming house, a Remington .36 hunting rifle rests ominously near the Lorraine Motel, hinting at a dark purpose. As twilight descends, police investigators methodically begin their search for the assassin, their focused movements underscoring the gravity of the situation. In the quiet aftermath, evidence slowly accumulates, inexorably pointing towards James Earl Ray as the prime suspect. Days later, the FBI headquarters buzzes with frantic energy as agents launch a massive manhunt for James Earl Ray. Evidence surfaces that Ray has cunningly secured a Canadian passport under a false name, igniting a desperate race against time. The air crackles with palpable tension, as every second counts in the pursuit of a phantom. In the tense Memphis courtroom, James Earl Ray stands as a figure of stark isolation before the judge. With a chillingly detached tone, James Earl Ray utters the word "guilty," sealing his fate in the murder of Martin Luther King Jr. To evade the specter of the electric chair, Ray accepts a 99-year prison sentence, a deal struck in the shadow of justice. The gavel's resounding slam attempts to close the case, yet the profound loss of King lingers like a suffocating shroud over the room.